बुखारी मुस्लिम की सही हदीसें हैं। इस्मऊ व अतीउ वलौ सुल्लिता अलैकुम रजुलुन हबशियुन कअन्न रअसहु ज़बीबा। आपने फरमाया सुनो और इताअत करो। ये बुखारी के अल्फाज हैं जो मैं पेश कर रहा हूं आपके सामने। वरचे तुम पर मुसल्लत कर दिया जाए एक हबशी गुलाम। गुलाम बादशाह बनने का अहल नहीं है, इमामत का अहल नहीं है, तो बादशाह बनने का अहल कहां से हो गया। लेकिन मुसल्लत हो जाए, जुल्म की बेस पे आ जाए, लेकिन जब बन गया तो फिर मुसलमानों का इत्तेहाद तोड़ने की इजाजत नहीं है। उसके पास पावर थी तो बन गया ना, गलत तरीके से आया, लेकिन आपने फरमाया फिर भी सुननी पड़ेगी उसकी।
Today's scholar of 10 quote half of a hadith about obeying the ruler and claim that no matter who becomes our ruler, even if he is unjust, corrupt, or does not rule according to the book of Allah, we still have to follow and obey him, and we should not rebel against him. Firstly, I wanted to tell you that they only share half of the hadith and not the complete one. The full hadith actually says, do not disobey your ruler as long as he leads you by the book of Allah. Secondly, let me share with you a sermon of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu that clarifies this matter properly. He said, O people, I have been appointed over you, though I am not the best among you. If I do good, then help me, and if I act wrongly, then correct me. Obey me as long as I obey Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And if I disobey Allah and His Messenger, then I have no right to your obedience. This clearly shows that a ruler should only be obeyed as long as he follows the Quran and Sunnah. Otherwise, we are not obligated to obey him. And today, none of our leaders rule according to the Quran and Sunnah, so we do not have to follow them.